This calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and constant interest rate. Ito yung syntax niya. So, yung rate, yung interest rate for the period of the loan, NPER, yung total number of payments for the loan, and then yung PV, yung present value. So, ayun yung mga required values. Ito yung mga optional, yung FV, yung future value ng loan, and yung type. Kung ang payment pa is at the end of the period or of the beginning of the period. So, ngayon, identify natin magkano yung magiging monthly payment using the PMT function. Yung rate natin, 6%. Yung NPER, yung total number of payments, dito yung tenure. And then yung present value is yung loan amount mo. And then ito, yung sa present value, dapat lagi siyang naka-negative. Okay. And we identify na kapag nag-loan ka ng 20,000 for 24 months with 6% monthly interest, ang magiging payment mo monthly is 1,593.58.